The inaugural pick, first pick.
Only pull out one piece.
You get one?
That's not me. That's a longer name. That would be Lance and Jesse.
Fuck! Lance and Jesse, you luck sacks.
Rig.
Alright, Casey with the number 2 overall pick.
I don't want this pick, so I hope
Number 2 pick is gonna be, drum roll,
Gina.
Jenna.
I said she was going to be number 1.
She is.
She's number 1 on hearts. Yeah, number 1 on hearts.
Alright, number 3 overall pick. I'm gonna do the pick.
Who is 2?
Jenna. I thought Jenna was going to be 1.
Will, number 3.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. That's how you beat.
Number 3. Number 4 pick.
3's a good spot.
I like 1 a little better, but
We got
Patrick.
Patrick Hunter, number 4. Doug's picking number 5.
This should be me because I thought I would be fifth.
Doug picks his own name.
Bullshit.
Shenanigans from Shanley.
all right, dig in there, buddy.
I like number 5.
6th pick. Should just grab one.
I think we got 2.
The
the top one is.
Put them both back in.
Yeah, don't even
Yeah,
tell me what it is.
yeah,
Just
don't
go,
even say the shenanigans. Shake it up good. No, you got to shake it up now.
Well,
Yeah.
it doesn't matter too much because you've already.
Who was it?
3, 6. 6th pick.
Travis.
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 Fuck, I know I'm going to be number 9.
Good, buddy.
I knew I was going to be fucking down. I would have guaranteed it.
All right, here we go.
Will's gonna
Make
pick.
sure I got just one here.
3, 6, 7.
All right.
7th pick.
Come on, Will. Hook a brother up.
Yeah, do something here.
Lytle.
Lytle, 7.
Douche.
Oh, God. There's the picks so far.
2, 4, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Here, let
Lay on the ship.
what's your name, man?
Kevin.
You get to pick next.
All right.
Jay.
Ah, damn it.
Welcome to the club,
J,
my friend.
8th.
Dan, I don't even know why you're worried. You're gonna pick. You're gonna
I know I'm picking like 10. No, I'm picking like 10. I know I am.
I don't mind 10 this year.
I think I'm gonna be
In
first.
other years, I
picking
would
your
be
job.
wild about it.
Mills and there's 3,
Stacy?
6. Oh, close enough. Stacy.
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 Not much shake left in there.
Yeah, I know.
Going down a wire. Whoa.
Casey.
Casey!
Does that put you last yet, Dan?
Pretty basically. We got 10 so far, I
Who do we have
think.
left here?
Me and Johnny, and
You
then
you and Mark.
Mark. Yeah.
Dan and Johnny.
11. 11. Lego is sweet.
God, I wish we could do this draft.
And leaves
tonight.
Mark
Me
12.
too.
I'm so
Mark
geeked up
is
for it.
12.